Welcome to Daily News Vocabulary. Today is February 26, 2026. Disclosure. The act of making information known, especially officially or publicly.
For example, officials ordered public disclosure of sensitive case files, revealing details normally kept private.
Inadvertent. Unintentional, not done on purpose.
For example, the exposure happened through an inadvertent release during a rushed publication process.
Anonymization. The process of removing identifying details from data.
For example, proper anonymization could have removed identifying markers before publication.
Redaction. Editing a document to remove or obscure sensitive information before release.
For example, redaction failed to obscure critical passages, leaving identities inferable.
Prosecutorial. Relating to prosecutors or prosecution.
For example, observers questioned prosecutorial judgment in managing sensitive witness information.
Confidentiality. The duty to keep information private.
For example, the event breached confidentiality obligations owed to cooperating sources.
Jeopardize. To put at risk of harm or loss.
For example, revealing sources could jeopardize safety and ongoing investigations.
Ramifications. Complex or often unwelcome consequences of an action.
For example, the legal and ethical ramifications spread across institutions.
Transparency. Openness and clarity in actions and decisions.
For example, advocates for transparency argued the public had a right to see the records.
Accountability. The obligation to explain and accept responsibility for actions.
For example, critics demanded accountability mechanisms to prevent similar lapses.
Story time. Amid pressure for transparency, an inadvertent disclosure bypassed redaction and anonymization, exposing witnesses. Prosecutorial discretion faltered, breaching confidentiality and threatening to jeopardize ongoing inquiries. The ramifications rippled across agencies, igniting debate over accountability and trust. Officials scrambled to repair damage, promising clearer protocols without abandoning the principle of transparent justice.